Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your iPhone XR. So first, what you guys can do is adjust the brightness in settings. So let's go to settings. Now here let's go to display and brightness. And here you can adjust the brightness manually, but I recommend you guys using the automatic brightness. So basically after that, what you guys can do is download the screen dimmer app. So let's go over to the Play Store, sorry, not the Play Store, the App Store. Now let's go here and search for screen dimmer, and now click search. It should be this app right here. So dimmer adjusts LCD brightness, and after we download this app we will be able to either lower the brightness or make the brightness higher. So after that, if this app did not work, then the last resort is to check for software updates. So go to settings, here let's go to general, software update, and as you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the iOS, which is 18.5, and I recommend you guys to do the same. So that'd be it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.